PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 12th day of July. And pretty quiet day here in the weather office as dry air has moved into North Alabama for one day. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots as of early afternoon. There's a look at the Clanton Skycam. We're looking south from the Skycam that's on the tower owned by the city right there in the middle of downtown. In fact, the roof down below, that's the Clanton City Hall. In the sky there, mostly sunny. Pretty much the same story for Gadsden. Up in northeast Alabama, just a few scattered high clouds around. And from west Alabama, Tuscaloosa. Once again, a good supply of sunshine. Pretty hot out there today, but like we've talked about, because of the low humidity levels, the heat really not all that uncomfortable. Here's a look at the water vapor satellite imagery. What a vortex over the eastern part of Canada, with a trough extending south into the Ohio and the Tennessee valleys. But we note another plume of high-level moisture beginning to move in here from the west, and low-level moisture will ease in here tonight. So after a dry day today, we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Look at the high-resolution visible satellite imagery. You can clearly see the boundary of the dry air. Look down there in South Alabama. Notice the little cumulus clouds about south of a line from Butler to Greenville to Eufaula. North of that, there's no cumulus formation, so that seems to be the dry line. And on that dry line, storms are increasing back off to the west. Take a look at the radar from Jackson. Big storms there from north of Jackson back into parts of southeastern Arkansas. And we think we'll see some action on the radar here tomorrow. And again, the QPF map looking pretty good. Now, these numbers look a lot more realistic to us. The numbers we had this morning were pretty high. I think this looks right. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. This is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches here. The bullseye, northeastern Texas. And we're talking 6.7 out there around Sulphur Springs and Mount Pleasant, and up into Oklahoma. Heavy rain, 3 inches there northwest of Oklahoma City. Let's go through model output. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. 1 o'clock Friday. Big trough over the east, big ridge over the west. And we'll take a look at the surface chart below all of that. Another surface front gets down to about Interstate 40 tomorrow. And as moisture begins to move northward, we think we'll see a definite increase in showers and storms. In fact, a good chance of them by tomorrow afternoon. And this front will not have enough southward push to make it down into Alabama. This model run here has the front holding up over Middle Tennessee, and that looks pretty wet for Saturday. And when I say pretty wet, that doesn't mean it's going to rain all day or be a total washout, but it could rain at any time on Saturday, especially Saturday afternoon. Sunday, the moist air stays in place, so for the weekend, looks like the sky cloudy at times, scattered showers and storms both Saturday and Sunday. Monday of next week, moist air going nowhere, same deal. Some sun, few scattered storms around. Tuesday, same deal. Wednesday, same deal. So this one day with the drier air, the lower dew points, that is a definite anomaly because we're not going to see that for the next 5 days based on model runs here. Let's go trolling. What do you say? Deep into voodoo country. This is valid July the 23rd. Ooh, that old 594 circle. You don't want to see that in summer. That is north of the state. Underneath that, you got cities like Washington, Philadelphia, Cincinnati, Detroit, Indianapolis, and Chicago. But underneath all of that, a pretty moist easterly flow there would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. And the model consistency has not been good out here. We've seen the model place that heat bubble just all over the place. I think it will be west of where it's got it here. And at the end of the cycle, this is valid the 28th. Westerlies up north, kind of a flat ridge down here, and again, nothing out of the ordinary. And I really think for the rest of July, temperatures and rainfall should be pretty close to normal. Maybe rain a little above, maybe temperatures a little below, but not by much. That's it for the afternoon Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video posted by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And hey, don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.